Hi there, Tina Serio from Modern Digital. I wanted to record a quick video and tell you guys about a blog post that we recently did. It was 10 common mistakes in digital marketing that small businesses make. I also provided some recommendations on how to avoid those mistakes. So if you haven't checked out that blog post, please check it out. But mistake number 10 is the one that I want to focus on today. It's ignoring your customers. So I know as a business owner, we don't ignore our customers outrightly, but a lot of times they can help you with your marketing. So why not let them work for you? So I gave you a couple of tips in the blog post. So if you missed it, check that out. But I'm also going to share a couple of other tips with you today. So here's the blog post, so you can go ahead and read that on your time.